In this video, we get a brand new RC buggy, we see how fast it goes, do an oopsie, oh my god, to the moon! Do you have a job you hate? Imagine if you could make more money from the comfort of your own home. That was my dream, and it became a reality once I started selling on eBay. I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars by selling on eBay, and I've now taught hundreds of people my secrets. So just check out the results here from some of my students. So if you're sick of that 9 till 5 and you want to make more money than a doctor from the comfort of your own home, then click on the link down below and I'll show you how. Guys, in this video we're going to unbox and have a little play with this brand new buggy that I just got. It's dirt cheap, it's big, and it looks good, but is it actually going to be any good? In this video we're going to find out. Subscribe. Oh guys, check out the aggressiveness. Alright, let's have a little look what's inside. Guys, this looks pretty decent. Check this out. Threaded metal shocks, metal shock towers, more metal, more metal, more metal, more metal, 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 more metal. So sometimes metal's good, other times not so good because it adds weight, and once it bends, it bends. So anyway, we're going to take this out for a blast, we're going to test it, we're going to see how well it holds up. But for a cheap car, it does look very promising. So what you get in the box is obviously the car, radio, battery, charger, instructions. The radio actually, for a cheap one, feels like it's pretty good quality. And it almost looks the same as the Dumbo RC, which has got a massive range. Now this has got less knobs, but how good it is, we're gonna see. The tyres look super knobbly and aggressive, and the battery feels like it's got a bit of weight to it, which is good, because cheaper ones, they're normally hollow and they feel really soft and squishy and have no weight to them. This feels like it's gonna be good. But we won't know for sure until we test it, and that we will do in a minute. So it says on the box it's gonna do 50 miles an hour, and it's got blah 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 blah. So I'm not going to bore you with all the techno babble, but I'm going to put a link down below and you can see all the specifications there. Alright, so we're charging up, and when it's done, we're going to go for a blast. Here we go, ready for action. Oh, note in the comments, guys, how fast do you reckon it's going to go? Alright, so there we are, zeroed off, almost zeroed off. I reckon 35.
37.
Alright, I've got 4S LiPo in the car. Alright, there we go, 4S LiPo going in. Yum yum, yummy yummy yummy. Alright, so I'm not sure if this can actually take 4S, but it does say on the box 50 miles an hour. So it's going to need a 4S to do 50, and if it doesn't, smoke's going to come out. Right, you ready?
Uh-oh.
Ready? Is it going to smoke or is it going to live?
No smoke. Good sign.
Oh, it works.
Okay.
Right, ready? Ready for a rev? Might as well make that a clickbait thumbnail.
Yeah.
Clickbait thumbnail, here we go. Oh, now
That's got 50 in it.
I reckon 45
yeah.
now. I reckon 45. So it's definitely got more in it. Alright, here we go. Oh, 46, baby. 47. Oh, tumble one. Next location. Here we go, flat out. Oh, chassis slammer. Oh, oh. Does it live? It lives. Oh, I'm going to try and hit that first jump flat out with a run up from the top. All right, here we go, flat out. Oh, cleared it. Oh my God, to the moon! Uh-oh, it stopped. What happened? Steering, but no power. Oh, it's clogging. So what I'm guessing happened is that one of the motor wires come disconnected. That should be an easy fix, and also we can have a look to see after those crashes if it's still in good condition or not under here. No, it doesn't want to go. Something's... Oh, hold on. It's jammed up solid. Oh. Uh-oh. I think we're going to have to take it back to the shop and have a look. Oh, I think the motor's died. Uh-oh. Guys, I think by hitting that and sending it to the moon, it landed there on concrete, and the shock of it must have done in the magnets of the motor. So we're going to take that apart and have a look what's going on. Alright, well that's game over for me. Back to the shop, have a little look to see what's gone wrong. I'm guessing the motor's dead. Oh guys, I've just done a little bit of wrenching. I've taken out the motor, expecting the motor to be broken, and it was perfect. And I did it on a live stream. So I'm going to put a link down below to the replay of that live stream over on my other channel. So if you want to muck in live streams, if you want to interact with us, however you say it, whatever, with Skinny, then you can jump in on that live stream channel and you can join in with the fun. So I'm going to put a link to my live stream channel down below. Make sure you smash the subscribe button and the bell button. Sorry, headphone users. And I live wrenched on this and took it apart and nothing was wrong. And I think what was the problem was that a stone must have got inside it. Because once I took it apart and I cleaned it out, and there's a lot of stones laying around here, look, all this mud and stuff. Once I took it out, it turned perfect. So